WFC 13 Heavy Hitters. Europe's premier mixed martial arts spectacle, WFC, is conquering the Balkans on April 17th. Battlefield Belgrade. Introducing the main event. An epic showdown in the making, where dynamic meets technique. An MMA pioneer and Vale-Tudo legend, Jose Pele Landi, is back in WFC with his dangerous striking, razor-sharp knees and head kicks to face the first WFC middleweight champion and the baddest man from Bulgaria, Lubomir the Virus Guejev. One of Europe's best heavyweights is back, continuing his victory path. Gerald Jerry Turek. He takes on Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu black belt Jair Suriço Gonçalves in a match for the heavyweight crown. The 300 legend lives on. Andreas the Spartan Kraniotakis returns to reclaim his place among the best. Aylin Amic, renowned to be the best Croatian heavyweight master of the mat. This showdown is sure to bring on the heat. And also appearing, WFC K1 legend Miran Rocky Fabian, always dangerous. Igor Jurkovic, one of the best kickboxers to come out of Croatia. And Slovenian MMA superstar, Bor the Playboy Bratos. Representing the hometown, they are Dusan Cyborg 2 Jakic, Alexander Radiosaljovic, and Dragan Tesanovic. All this and much, much more. An international fight card that will shake your senses in the party capital of the Balkans. Don't miss the WFC 13 Heavy Hitters Spectacle of the Year on Sunday, April 17th, the Pioneer Hall, Belgrade, Serbia. Tickets available at www.eventim.rs. Info at www.wfc.si. Join me, Will Vanders, live on www.siol.net.